In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a payment method like PayPal in your account settings. First, open your dashboard and look to the left-hand side. You'll see a navigation menu, and in that menu, click on Settings. This is where most of your account-wide preferences live, including payment options. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Just look for the gear icon or the word Settings on the sidebar. Once you're in Settings, find and click on Accept Payments. This section is dedicated to linking payment providers so you can start receiving money. When you click it, the page may take a moment to load. That's normal. Give it a few seconds to finish pulling in the available options. If your connection is slow, waiting an extra moment prevents errors later on. When the page is ready, you'll see a list of payment methods you can use. Choose the option that works best for your business. For today's example, we'll use PayPal. Next to PayPal, click on Connect. This button begins the linking process between your account and the payment provider. After you click Connect, you'll see on-screen instructions. Take a moment to read them carefully. These instructions outline what information is needed and what you can expect during the connection process. Staying on this page and following the guidance step by step helps ensure a smooth setup. You'll be asked for account information. Enter the email address you use for your PayPal account. Double check the spelling before you proceed because a small typo can prevent the connection from working. If you use a dedicated business email for payments, make sure you enter that one here. Accurate information is key to ensuring funds go to the right place. Once you've entered the email address, click Connect. The system will process your request and complete the link. This may take a moment, so be patient and avoid clicking back or refreshing the page while it finishes. When the connection is successful, you should see a confirmation on the screen or an indicator that PayPal is now active as a payment method. That's all there is to it. You went from settings to accept payments, waited for the options to load, chose your preferred payment method, clicked connect for PayPal, reviewed the on-screen instructions, entered the required email address, and clicked connect to finalize. If anything doesn't look right after connecting, return to the accept payments page to review the status and make sure the email you entered is correct. You're now set up to accept payments smoothly and confidently.